ilanga libalulekile ey'tshalweni zakho kambi, and ngifuna ukukuprova lokho ngoba if kungekho i-proof umuntu ngeke aze azi ukuthi leyo nto osuke uyikhuluma suke ibaluleke kanjani. Asibhekeni la, lesi spinashi ebesitshalwe 2 weeks ago, sibona sikhule cishe kanjani, bese ubuya ngapha kule side sikhulile. Inkinga iqala mhlawumbe khona la yabo la, ngaphandle kokuthi sidliwa yinyoni kodwa nje asikhombisi ukukhula lespinashi lesi. Imbangela inazi izihlahla nazi, le zihlahla lezi they block the sun. Here is the sun there, then the sun alifiki la lelanga, even la kuyazama but nakhona lelanga alifiki kahle uze ubone mhlambe kusuka le piece le yeSamuel la nakhona la kunesithunzi khona, le ndawo le inethunzi yonke le ndawo le. So kubalulekile ukuthi ilanga lishaye direct kuzitshalo zakho khona zizokhula kamnandi. Angithi kwenzeka no photosynthesis should la benzeka i-process of photosynthesis, even though the nitrogen is good but the plants cannot make their own food ngoba the sun alishayi khona. Then bheke from this third line, this one and that one mancane. This third line uyabona ukuthi kukhule kanjani, yingoba lilanga la lingena kahle from this part. If we moved these 2 lines and put them here, ngabe kuhle kabi lokho esikutshale lapha first and second line, but akwenzeki ngoba kunethunzi. Then ngala ngaphambili cishe kukhulile ngakhona ngoba le sithunzi asifiki kakhulu ngale. So the problem is le hlahla lezi kufanele isuke, or masitshala siqale from this line going down. Ilanga libalekile ey'tshalweni zakho.